Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's Dogwatcher. Yes, I'm back on Dogwatcher, and my friend is using Dogwatcher. So, don't think that is me, cause it's not. Yeah, you can tell I wouldn't really collect plushies. If you want to know that, by the way. Yeah. So, yeah, that's all I'm here to say. Basically, I moved to Dogwatcher. I think I was on Epic Dance for this den. Like, I don't know, because all these people started going to my den. So yeah, I was on Epic Dance before. Yeah, here's my den that was on Epic Dance. Oh, I didn't edit it? Oh, that's weird. Must have been in my dreams. Yeah. So, I just want to know that I was on Epic Dance today. Good day for me. Yeah, it was really cool. Was coming to my den, like they were saying, like everyone else's den is crap, and my den was actually good, so that was nice for me. And to have people like my den. I didn't really make my den to be cool, because I don't really do that stuff, because it's weird. Computer, no, damn it, annoying. Yeah. I love this den, it's like really cool. Yeah, my confusing. So anyways guys, these are my ammo, and then yeah. So anyways guys, bye.